The second problem. So this is very easy. Find G composition F and F composition G if F is a mapping from R to R, that is real numbers to real numbers, and G is a mapping from set of all real numbers to real numbers, are given by F of x is equal to cos x and G of x is equal to 3x square. ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು F ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು G. So F of x ಏನಂತ ಇದೆ, cos x. G of x, so which is 3x square. Show that G composition F is not equal to F composition G. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, G composition F, F composition G ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ G composition F ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ, F composition G ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ G composition F of x. So according to the definition, G composition F of x becomes what? G of F of x. That's it. So G of F of x. Now G of, what is F of x? Here F of x is cos x. Put that one. G of cos x. In place of F of x, we can write cos x. Now here G of x is 3x square. G of x is 3x square. G of, if I take t, then it becomes 3t square. Okay. So if I take G of cos x, then it becomes what? 3 cos x whole square. So in place of x, here x square. So 3 is as it is. So G of cos x, in place of x we have cos x, therefore it becomes 3 as it is. In place of x changes to cos x square. So G of cos x is nothing but 3 into cos x whole square is nothing but 3 cos square x. This is G composition F of x. So to find G composition F, so you must take G composition F of x, because we know that F of x is equal to cos x. So now here consider G composition F is over. Next take F composition G of x. So now what is F composition G of x? It becomes F of, just use this bracket instead this O. Composition, so take bracket. So F of G of x. F of, what is G of x there? G of x is 3x square. So G of x ಅನ್ನೋದು 3x square ಆಯ್ತು. Next, which is equal to F of x is cos x. F of x is cos x. In place of x, if I take t, it becomes what? Cos t. In place of x, if I take 3x square, what it becomes? Cos 3x square. So just here, if we have x cos x, if we have t cos t, if we have 3x square cos 3x square. Just this one is changes, angle is changes. So F of 3x square is nothing but cos of 3x square. So note that 3 cos square x is never equal to cos 3x. For, let us check for x is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, what we get? If I put x is equal to 0. So here 3 into cos square 0. What is cos 0? 1. So cos square is 1 square. So 3 ones are 3. Next, for cos 3x square, I am putting 0 for in place of x. So cos of 3 0 square. So 3 into 0, 0. Cos 0 is 1. Here 3, here 1. So 3 is not equal to 1. So their left hand side also not equal. Is nothing but that value. F composition G or G composition F, they are not equal. Okay. So is it clear? So the question is, we have to show that they are not equal. For that, here and here is the answer. Okay. So you can try also like this. So instead G composition F of x, G of F of x, take that one. But so here I am just writing F of x is cos x and G of x is 3x square. Okay. So now first G of F of x. So if we have G of x, then it becomes 3x square. Here we have G of F of x. What it means? G of F of x means in place of x we have F of x. Therefore 3 into F of x square. So 3 into F of x square. So 3 into, what is F of x? Cos x. So cos x whole square. Then 3 into cos square x. So both are same. Both are same. You can apply for F of x first, or you can apply G of x first. Okay. So here I am considering f composition g of x is equal to f of g of x. For previous, I am considering g first, the function g first. Then I am applying f next. So, but here I am considering the first, the f. What is f of x? F of x is cos x. What is f of gx? If we have in place of g of x, then it becomes cos of gx. That is cos of gx. So now it is easy to apply gx. So cos of what is gx? 3x squared. That's it. So cos of 3x squared. So it becomes what? Cos of 3x squared is same as cos 3x squared. Is it okay? So both are one and the same. Cos 3x squared, cos 3x squared. You can apply f first or you can apply g first. So your wish. Okay. So both are one and the same. So 2 example problem is over. Here I am considering similar to that problems. Here I am considering exercise problems 1.3. Okay. So why I am considering the exercise problem? Because the 2 example problems and here the 3 exercise problems are both look like same, which are similar to one another. Therefore I am considering to understand clearly. F is a mapping from 134 to 125 and G is a mapping from 125 to 1, 3 be given by F is equal to the ordered pair 1, 2, ordered pair 3, 5, ordered pair 4, 1. What it means? 1 maps to 2, 1 maps to 2 and 3, 5 means 3 maps to 5 and 4, 1 means the element 4 maps to 1. Okay. So this is the mapping which is given like a set of all ordered pairs, like relation, and G is a mapping from 1 to 5 to 1, 3. So given by 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1 means 1 maps to 3, 2, 3 means 2 maps to 3 and 5, 1 means 5, the element 5 of the domain maps to 1 of the codomain under G. Okay. So write down G composition F. We have to write down the function G composition F. So this is the question. So up to this information and write down G composition F is nothing but climbing part. Okay. So use this information to find the G composition F. That's it. So first, here is the answer. G composition F is a mapping from domain of F to what? Codomain of G. So domain of F to codomain of G. So what is the domain of F for this problem? 1, 3, 4. What is codomain of G? So G is a mapping from this to this. So second set is a codomain. So 1, 3. 1, 3, 4 to 1, 3 is nothing but G composition F. So 1, 3, 4 to 1, 3. Is it clear? So we find G composition F of 1, G composition F of 3, G composition F of 4. So we want to find G composition F of all the elements of domain. Okay. So which maps to what? So for that, here I am considering G composition F of 1 first. So which is nothing but what? G composition F of x is nothing but G of F of x. That's it. This is the definition. In place of composition, just write the brackets. That's it. So G of F of what is here? F of 1. So G of F of 1, which is equal to G of what is F of 1 in the information? F of 1. So here is 1. So 2 becomes F of 1. So that is 2. So F of 1 is 2. Okay. So to better understand, here I am considering. So here, notice. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. Look at here. So 1 maps to 2. 3, 5 means 3 maps to 5. 4, 1 means 4 maps to 1. It means what? So image of 1 is 2. So F of 1 is 2. Next 3 maps to 5 means what? Image of 3 is 5. That is F of 3 is 5. Next 4 maps to 1 means what? Image of 4 is 1. That is F of 4 is 1. So F of 1 is 2. F of 3 is 5. F of 4 is 1. So 1 maps to 2. 3 maps to 5, 4 maps to 1. So similarly, they given G is a set of all G is equal to what? 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. For that, I am considering 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. So it means what? 1 maps to 3, 2, 3 means 2 maps to 3, 5, 1 means 5 maps to 1. So 1 maps to 3 means what? The image of 1 is 3. So that is G of 1 is 3 under G. Okay. So next 2 maps to 3 means what? Image of 2 is 3. Image of 2 means G of 2 is 3. Okay. So next 5 maps to 1 means what? Image of 5 is 1. So that is G of 5 is 1. So that G of 1, G of 2, G of 5. So 1, 2, 5. It means 1 maps to 3, 2 maps to 3 and 5 maps to 1. So 1 maps to 3, 2 maps to 3 and 5 maps to 1. Is it okay? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಡೊಮೈನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೋದೇನಂತ ಅರ್ಥ? ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 1 ಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ ಜಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ 3 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಜಿ ಆಫ್ 1 ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2, 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಏನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಜಿ ಆಫ್ 2 ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ 2. ಸೊ 5 ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಜಿ ಆಫ್ 5 ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನಿಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರಿ ಕಿವಿಗೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳೋದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾನು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀಟಾಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರನಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಓದಿದ್ರೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ CET ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ CET ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ದಲೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಒತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇವತ್ತಿಂದನೂ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದಿ, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತರಾನೇ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅದ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತರಾನೇ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸೇ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಎಫ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಜಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 3, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 4. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1, 3, 4 ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1, ಜಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 3, ಜಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 3, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 4. ನಾವು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 3, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1? G of what is f of 1 here? So here f of 1 is, so here f of 1 is 2. Sorry, here f of 1 is 2. Okay, so substitute that one. F of 1 is 2. Next, what is g of 2? So here g of 2 is 3. So g of 2 is 3. Okay, next, g of f of 3. What is f of 3? F of 3 is 5. So substitute that one, 5. So we get g of 5. What is g of 5? 1. So that is 1. Next, g of f of 4. What is f of 4? F of 4 is 1. Okay. So substitute that one, 1. What is g of 1? G of 1 is 3. So that is 3. So 3, 1, 3. So 1 maps to 3. So 3 maps to 1 and 4 maps to 3. So if I take 1, 3, 4, the domain and the codomain 1, 3. So 1 maps to what? 1 maps to 3 and 3 maps to 1 and 4 maps to 3. Is it clear? So this is the G composition F. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಲಿ ಜಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಫ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಜಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಈಗ CET ನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋರು. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಈಗ ಎಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 1 maps to 2, 3 maps to 5, 4 maps to 1 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 maps to 2, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 maps to 5, ದೆನ್ 4 maps to 1, 4 maps to 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ 1 maps to 3. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ 1 maps to 3 ಇದೆ, 2 maps to 3 ಇದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 maps to 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 5 maps to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ 1 maps to what 2, ಬಟ್ 2 maps to what 3. ಸೊ 1 maps to 3 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 maps to what 5, ಬಟ್ 5 maps to what 1. ಫಾರ್ 3 maps to 5, 5 maps to 1. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ 3 maps to 5, 5 maps to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಒನ್ ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 maps to 1 ಅಂಡ್ 1 maps to 3 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, maps to 1 ಬೇಡ, 1 maps to what 3. ಸೊ 1 maps to 3, 3 maps to 1, 4 maps to 3. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದೇ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು, 1 maps to 3, 3 maps to 1 ಅಂಡ್ 4 maps to 3. ಸೊ 1 maps to ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ, 1 maps to 3, 3 maps to 1 and 4 maps to 3 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಒನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, 1 maps to 2 ಬಟ್ 2 maps to 3 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 1 3 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ of exercise 1.3. So here is the second question. Let F, G and H be functions from R to R. Show that F plus G composition H is equal to F composition H plus G composition H. So F composition H plus, here is plus, G composition H. Okay. So next we have to show, for this is the operation addition. Next for multiplication, F into G composition H. So F composition H into, so dot refers to multiplication, into G composition H, that is G composition H. Is it clear? So we have to show this one and this one. So with respect to addition and with respect to multiplication. Okay. So first, here I am showing the first one. So what is, we have to take LHS and we have to show RHS. Both are equal. So here I am considering LHS. What is LHS of this one? F plus G composition H. So F plus G composition H. So take X. Okay. So to apply the definition, take X or take some element. Okay. So then it becomes what? F plus G composition H of X becomes, so just in place of this O, write the bracket. So F plus G as it is composition of H of X. So composition means of H of X, because F composition G of X is nothing but F of G of X. That's it. So this is the definition of F composition function. So F plus G of H of X. Now, so first F of H of X, write F of H of X first. Next plus G of H of X next. So G of H of X. So what is F of H of X? So replace this bracket by O. Then it becomes F composition H of X plus replace this bracket by O. Then it becomes what? G composition H of X. So just remove X and X. It becomes F composition H plus G composition H. That is RHS. Is it clear? So here I am taking LHS and I am getting RHS. Is it okay? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ left hand side na ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, of X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, F plus G of H of X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ F ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ H of X ಗೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು G ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ F ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ G ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ F ಮತ್ತೆ H ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? F ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ H ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ತರ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ G ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ H ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. X ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀರಿ, F ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ G ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ H ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ multiplication ತಗೋಣ. Second one, this one. Consider LHS F into G composition H. So LHS F into G composition H ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ F into G composition H of X. Okay. So now apply the definition, composition definition. So what it says, just remove O and write bracket. That is F into G of H of X. Is it okay? So next, apply F first, then G next. So F of H of X dot G of H of X. Is it okay? So next line is what is F of H of X? In the bracket, just take composition, F composition H of X. So G of H of X means G composition H of X. Neglect X and X, just write F composition H into G composition H is nothing but RHS. So is it okay? So this is RHS, F composition H into G composition H. Similar to this one. With respect to addition, just similar to that addition, write for multiplication also. Is it okay? This is very easy problem. Next problem. So third one. In fact, the composition is a very easy concept. Composition itself is very easy. Okay. So find G composition F next question and F composition G. If F of X is mod X and G of X is mod 5X minus 2. And second one is, here we have two sub questions. So for second question is F of X is equal to 8x cube and G of X is equal to x power 1 by 3. So we first solve first one, first sub question. So given F of X, what is given? F of X is mod X and G of X is mod 5X minus 2. So this is given. What we have to find? We find G composition F and F composition G. Andre F of X, G of X ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. their composition find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಫ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಗಾಫ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಗ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಗಾಫ್ G composition F is nothing but ಗಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ X. ಸೊ ಬರೀ ಗಾಫ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು F of X ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ X ನ. ಸೊ G composition F of X is equal to G of F of X. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ G of F of X ಫಸ್ಟ್ G ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ. ನೀವು F of X ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ G ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ G of X ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಅರ್ಥ? mod 5x minus 2 ಅಂತ ತಾನೇ ಅರ್ಥ. ನನಗೆ X ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? F of X ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? mod 5 into X ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ F of X ಇದೆ, minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ 5 X ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ F of X ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus 2 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮುಗೀತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ 5 into what is F of X? F of X is mod X. Just write mod X in place of F of X. So because F of X is mod X minus 2. So this is over. This is G composition F. That's it. Next we find fog. So fog of X. Okay. So is nothing but what? According to the definition, F of G of X. Just remove this O and write the bracket. F of G of X. So now apply first for F. Okay. So you can apply for G first, next F. Your wish. So here I am considering first F. F of X is what? F of X is mod X. This one is F of X is mod X. So mod, what is F of Gx? Mod Gx. F of X is mod X. In place of X we have Gx. Therefore mod Gx. Okay. So modulus. What is Gx? Gx is nothing but mod 5x minus 2. So one more mod 5x minus 2 is nothing but mod of mod is no need of double mod, just write single mod. So both are one and the same. So just which is equivalent to mod 5x minus 2, that is fog. So this is ಗಾಫ್, this is fog. Is it clear? Okay. So you can ma'am please explain, first apply F then apply G. Here this is for first applying G then applying F. Okay. So here I am explaining that one. G composition F of what? X. So is nothing but what? G of F of X. So first G of what is F of X? So F of X is mod X. So mod X. Next in place of F of X we have mod X. Next. So what is G of X? Mod 5x minus 2. So G of X is mod 5x minus 2. But here we have G of not X. In fact mod X. So just replace x by mod x. So that is modulus of 5 into mod x minus 2. So that's it. So same, both are same. You can apply g first, then f. Or you can apply f first, then g. Both are one and the same. Your wish. Your convenience. So next f composition, fog, is nothing but what? Fog is f of g of x. Is it okay? So f of, what is g of x? G of x is here, mod 5x minus 2. Here g of x is mod 5x minus 2. Apply that one, mod 5x minus 2. Now, so what is f of x? F of x is mod x. So in place of x we have modulus of 5x minus 2. Okay. So f of, what is in place of x? We have modulus of 5x minus 2. If we have t, then it becomes mod t. So f of mod 5x minus 2 becomes modulus of, so in place of x we have mod 5x minus 2. That's it. Mod, just take single mod, 5x minus 2. So both are one and the same. Is it okay? So I thought this is very easy, so I choose this one. So first applying f, then applying g. For this, first applying g, then applying f. So this is somewhat easy compared to this one. So both are same. Okay. So your wish. Next, what is the second question? Here the second sub question. F of x is 8x cube and g of x is x power 1 by 3. So second, consider g composition f. For the second one also we want to find the Goff and fog. So Goff of x is nothing but g of f of x. So first I am applying g function. What is g of x? X power 1 by 3. So g of x, if we have x, x power 1 by 3. If we have f of x power 1 by 3. That's it. So replace x by f of x. So g of f of x means f of x power 1 by 3. So what is f of x? Now apply f of x. What is f of x? F of x is 8x cube. So f of x is 8x cube. So substitute in place of f of x 8x cube whole power 1 by 3 as it is. So here 3 gets cancelled. Don't take that one. So here 1 by 3 refers to cube root. If we have 1 by 2, then it becomes square root. Okay. So here 1 by 3, therefore it is cube root of 8x cube. So that is cube root of 8 into cube root of x cube. So here cube root of 8. What is 8? It can be written as 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 2 cube. So 3 gets cancelled. We remain with just 2. Okay. Here 3 gets cancelled. Means x power 3 whole power cube root means 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. We remain with just x. Here we have 2. Here we have x. That is 2x. So this is Goff. Next we want to find fog. So fog of x is nothing but f of g of x. So first apply the function f. So f of x is what? 8x cube. So f of g of x is what? F of x is 8x cube. F of g of x. In place of x, just write g of x. So 8 into g of x whole cube. So 8 into g of x whole cube. That's it. 8 into what is g of x? G of x is x power 1 by 3. Substitute that one. In place of g of x, x power 1 by 3. Whole power 3 as it is. 3. So now 3 1s are 3. So we can cancel 3 1s are 3. Okay. So we remain with 8x. So here whole cube, which is applying only for gx. That is only for x, not for 8. Okay. So just write 8 into x. That is fog. So this is Goff. This is fog. So you can apply first f, then apply g. So here I am using first applying g, then applying for f. Is it okay? So next question. Next, I am come back to the example problem. Next example problem. So this is look like very toughest problem, but trust me, which is the easiest problem of the composition function. Okay. So what it is? This is the example problem. Show that if f is a mapping from R minus 7 by 5. So in the textbook, it is the 17th problem. For this topic here, this one is the example, third problem. Okay. So for this topic, this is the example 3. But overall, the first chapter 1, this is the example 17. Okay. So in the textbook, we have example number 17. So now, So show that if f is a mapping from r minus 7 by 5 to r minus 3 by 5 is defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. So this is a function from real numbers minus 7 by 5, means take all the real numbers excluding 7 by 5, and codomain is all the real numbers excluding 3 by 5. That is the function f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7, and g is a mapping from r minus 3 by 5 to r minus 7 by 5 is defined by g of x is equal to 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Okay, so this is the function. G is a mapping from this one to this one. So for the domain, just remove 3 by 5 in the real number, and for codomain, take all the real number excluding 7 by 5. So defined by g of x is equal to 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Okay, so this is the information part. F and G. So defined by, this is given. What we have to prove then, after then, that is the claiming part. F composition G is equal to IA, that is the identity function, and G composition F is equal to IB, that is the identity function. So why it is A and it is B? Here A is r minus 3 by 5, this one, and B is r minus 7 by 5, that is the domain of F, and A is the domain of G. Okay, so F composition G ends. So here G is F composition G is a function from what? Domain of G to codomain of F. Therefore, domain, take the domain of G. So what is the domain of G? R minus 3 by 5. That is A. So take IA. For that, here IA. So G composition F is a mapping from domain of F to codomain of G. What is the domain of F? R minus 7 by 5. So therefore, R minus 7 by 5, that is B. So therefore, IB, identity function on B, on the domain B. So identity function means, you know that identity function IA of x is equal to x means for all x belongs to A. 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 2, 3 maps to 3. Take 100, 100 maps to 100 itself. Take 1000, 1000 maps to 1000 itself. That is the identity function. IB of x is equal to x for all x belongs to B. Take any element of B, that element maps to itself. If I take minus 5, which maps to minus 5 itself, that is the identity function, are called identity function on sets A and B respectively. So now, so this is the question. So in Kannada, show that ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನ ಎಫ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಎರಡೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 by 5 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, 3 by 5 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 by 5, ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 7 by 5 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ 3 by 5 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಗೆ 7 by 5 ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ನೀವೇನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ದೆನ್ಗಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, ದೆನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದೊಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ಗಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರೋದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಜಿನೂ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಕೂಡ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ, ಎಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಜಿ ಎಂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ here is the solution. We have to show that F composition G is equal to IA, G composition F is equal to IB. Okay na? So consider F composition G of X is nothing but what? F of G of X. Just remove O and apply bracket. F of G of X. F of what is G of X? So here G of X is 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. You can apply F first or G next. Here I am applying G first, then next F. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಎಫ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಜಿ ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎರಡೂ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ರೀತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಕಲಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಎರಡು ರೀತಿನೂ ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್, ಸೊ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ f of 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 ಅಂತ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. So what is f of x? 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of x ಬದಲು ಏನಿದೆ? 7x plus 4 5x minus 3 ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ x plus ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ? 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 ತಗೋ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So 3 into 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 plus 4 whole divided by 5 into, so what is x? So in place of x, we have 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. So substitute that one. 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 minus 7. Okay. Is it clear? If we have f of t, 3t plus 4 divided by 5t minus 7. So in place of x, we have 7x plus 4, 5x minus 3. So 3 into x in place of x, just this one and this one. In place of x and in place of x. 3, 4, 5, 7. So they remain same. Next, take the LCM. What is the LCM? 5x minus 3 for the numerator and the denominator 5x minus 3 same. So 5x minus 3. So I am taking the LCM 5x minus 3 for the numerator first. So take equal here. Okay. So next 7 3 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12 plus 4 into, what is the LCM? 5x minus 3. Is it clear? Next, divided by. For the denominator, 5x minus 3 is the LCM. So here 7 5s are 35 plus 5 4s are 20. 35x plus 20 minus 7. We don't have divided by 5x minus 3 here. For that, multiply 5x minus 3. Okay. So 7 into 5x minus 3. Because we complete taking the LCM. So here 5x minus 3, 5x minus 3 gets cancelled. So now 21x plus 12 plus 5 4s are 20x minus 4 3s are 12. Next, 35x plus 20 as it is. 7 5s are 35x. Minus into minus plus. 7 3s are 21. Okay. So, first take x one term. Then number. Plus 12 minus 12 gets cancelled. We remain with 21x, 20x. So, 21x plus 20x means 41x. 21x, 20x ಎರಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 41x ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So 41x divided by. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 35x minus 35x gets cancelled. 20 21 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 41 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 41 gets cancelled. We remain with x. So here we consider f composition g of x. What we get? X. So f composition g of x is equal to x. Means what? If I take 1, we get 1. If I take 2, which maps to 2. If I take 100, which maps to 100. So take any x. So f composition g of x is equal to x. It means which is the identity function for all x belongs to a. So we know that ia of x, identity function of x, which is nothing but x itself for all x belongs to a. So here f composition g of x is also x. ia of x is also x. Therefore it means what? F composition g is nothing but the identity function on a. Because of for all x belongs to a. So f composition g is equal to ia. Is it clear? So just take f composition g of x, f of g of x. Apply the definition, apply the function g first, then apply the function f next. So just simplify, you will get the answer. Next. So next step is what? So what is the equation there? We want to show that f composition g is equal to ia. G composition f is equal to ib. Both are identity function. Domain is different. That's it. So here f composition g is over. Next we want to find g composition f. So what is that? G composition f. Similar to the previous one, take g composition f of x is nothing but what? G of f of x. Okay. So first apply f of x. What is the function f of x? The function f of x is 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 1. Apply that one. 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. Next, here f of x is 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. What is g of x? G of x is 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. So here in place of f of x, we have the function. This is over. Next, g of x. What is g of x? G of x is 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Here x. But here we have g of not x. 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. It means what? Replace in place of x by 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. That's it. Okay. 7, 4, 5, 3. Same. Similar to previous one. So now take the LCM. 5x minus 7 is the LCM for numerator. 5x minus 7 is the LCM for denominator. Just cancel out. We remain with what? 7 3 is 21x plus 7 4 is 28 plus 4. Here we don't have 5x minus 7. Just multiply 5x minus 7 divided by 5 3 is 15x. 5 4 is 20 minus 3 divided by, we don't have 5x minus 7. So just to take 3 into 5x minus 7. Okay. So next step is 21x plus 28. Multiply 4 within the bracket. 4 5s are what? 20. So 20x minus 4 7s are 28. Next 15x plus 20 as it is minus 3 5x are 15x. 3 minus 3 into minus 7, that is minus into minus plus, 3 7s are 21. So here plus 28 minus 28 gets cancelled. 21x plus 20x. 20x plus 21x, it means what? 41x divided by 15x. 15x gets cancelled because of opposite signs. So 20 plus 21 is 41. So 41 cancel, we remain with x. So here I am considering G composition f of x. Here I am getting x. So G composition f of x is x itself. So take 1 itself. Take 1000 itself. So which is nothing but identity function. So for all x belongs to what? B. Okay. So why I am taking B? So the domain of f is what? The domain of f is r minus 7 by 5. R minus 7 by 5 is B. So therefore IB. Take the domain, so which is the identity function on the domain B. So G composition f is nothing but IB. Because IB of x is equal to x itself for all x belongs to B. Here G composition f x is equal to x for all x belongs to B. Therefore take IB in place of G composition f. That's it. So is it clear?